Hello everyone, this is Jim from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 7th of April afternoon analysis. On this video, we'll cover some news first, then we will just go ahead with our charts. Fresh news, actually, okay, it's not bad news. And spokesperson of U.S. Congress, Pelosi, just told that Miss Pelosi just told that she will visit Taiwan soon, probably in a few weeks. After this statement, after this announcement, and foreign minister of China just said there will be consequences of these moves. So we urge U.S. officials not to do this. So, and so like Russia and Ukraine stuff, it's a headache right now in the world. And US, I don't know what they are trying to do. Probably they are just looking for victims for their economic unsuccessful management. So they are just trying to do all possible mistakes at once, but I don't think it will just work. All right, and that was the news. Let's start with our first chart. That is Ethereum. As you can see, we are just falling down on this correction. So there was a trend similar to Bitcoin. We have just seen this morning. It was rising and rising. Then it just once it just made decline and then disrupted this trend line. And then we have seen another disruption, and it couldn't go higher than this one because this moment, when that happened, it was trend line. At the same time, it was resistance. So there's a cross check in here, and it didn't go further, and it just declined. So when we just see that one right now, its support level is kind of working, and it's avoiding that one for future losses. So another attempt on this one, and another bullish rise can start if we just hear some good news in the market. But if we just see some other problems similar to Russia, Ukraine stuff, if US just trigger more moves, then we can see more decline in cryptocurrency, and then we can see more higher prices in physical silver, gold, and other precious metal commodities. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, we are on our second chart. As you can see here, it's the SP500 CFD, and right now, it's not going higher. It's just trying to stable. Just look at it. It's at the same level of 20, on 20th of March level. It just made some rises in S&P 500, but now it's just declining again because last night Fed minutes, FMC minutes was so hawkish, and they will start reduction, balance sheet reduction soon. That means the bonds they have bought from these corporates, they will just sell them. So when they sell it, so private investor will just buy or not, we will just see. But those things were just giving those companies a lot of free cash and a lot of extra cash, but it won't happen right now. It seems like that reduction on tightening will just give some more headache to these companies, especially S&P 500 companies and Nasdaq companies as well. It's on decline if you just see more hawkish, and also, as I stated, like a China and US problem. If we just see more serious effect of that one, we may see the same decline. Let me just show you. Similar to this one, we may see this decline even worse because the trade balance with China and US is bigger than that one. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is natural gas. As you can see here, natural gas is rising because European countries are just trying to diversify themselves from Russian gas. But there's a limit on that one as well. Like it has tried almost highest level of the recent years in 6.5, almost that one, but has been rejected. Right now, it's just kind of making a peak on this level. Also, I just want to show something here. All right, this is the United States natural gas stock change. So there is a trend as well in the inventories. These gas stocks will be in positive territory soon. Why I'm saying soon? Because domestic demand will be so low with warm weather. Just a few weeks, just in maybe 10 days, in the middle of April, we will see a lot of stock buildup. When that happens, when the extra gas goes to Europe as well, and also there will be less demand on domestic demand in Europe as well. So they will just fill up those stocks. So there will be less demand on that one. When that happens, there will be some sell-off on natural gas. So the contract size is really huge in natural gas. $1 decline makes $10,000 in profit in one lot. So just imagine from these points, 6.2 point, if it just comes back to 5.30, these level, it's just make $10,000 in profit. It's really good profit. So if you just see that level, if you just see that consolidation in here and a sell-off, I'm not expecting something like this, it may happen, but on current demand size, it will take time, but in short time, a sharp sell-off can happen in a few weeks with that demand loss. That's why it's really good. As I said, if this pattern, so you see it's just struggling to go higher, if this pattern just makes stable and if we don't see no more rises, and it may test this level one more time. If a rejection happens, then definitely sell and enjoy your profit. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news and we will cover more charts with you. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.